Yeah, there's toy guns in the back. I'm gonna take that out. Got them from my grandma, so I know to put them, so I just put in the back of the bed. She's pretty nice truck, pretty clean. 1997 Ford F150, 6-cylinder. Yeah, got a little bird dicky right there. Ain't gonna hurt it. Not even gonna clean it up though. Oh, can't see. That's my dad. My dad got this truck. Shout out to him. Radio does work.
Let's get started right now in January.
It is playing in advertising. Got a tape in there. Well, tape aux. Instead of hearing FM radio or AM, which AM sucks dick. Everybody knows that. Yeah, she got a little bird dicky on her. Ain't too bad. Let's do work. High beams. Well, yeah, that is high beams. The light down there don't work.
I didn't feel alone anymore. I chose open adoption. And when I see pictures of my daughter growing up, I know I made the right choice.
Power steering pretty good.
Visit adoptionsfromtheheart.org.
That, yep, there we go. The miles, 78,000. And my dad bought this truck for me at the dealership, or it was a used. So it says right on here, used. The key. Yep. 1997 Ford F150. Yep. Yeah, this song is pretty trash. I'm definitely gonna get copyrighted. I don't care. I'm just gonna show off on the truck. Long bed. Actually, I don't know. I gotta show you the other Ford. That'll be in the next video I'll make. The other Ford we got. But that Ford actually don't have crank windows like this one does. Oh, gotta show one more thing before I get off here. Bing, bing, bing. That is annoying. Hold on. Come on. There we go. Little speaker right there. Another speaker right there. She's good condition. I don't remember the price. I think it's $5,000. That's pretty much. That's a lot of money, honestly. It's pretty fucked up for this truck. Well, good miles and nothing really wrong with it, so dome light did not work. This needs to be more loving. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.